Today I am reviewing the Empowered PC Quiet Rackmount computer. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Empowered PC Quiet Rackmount computer is an incredibly capable and versatile system that strikes the perfect balance between raw performance, reliability, and quiet operation, making it an excellent choice for both home and business users who demand top-tier computing power in a compact 2U rack mount form factor. At the heart of this system is the Intel Core i7-14700 processor, a 20-core, 28-thread powerhouse that delivers exceptional speed and responsiveness, with a base clock of 2.1 GHz and the ability to boost up to an impressive 5.4 GHz. This level of performance ensures that whether you're running intensive workloads like 4K video editing, complex simulations, or high-end content creation, or simply multitasking with dozens of applications and browser tabs open, the system remains smooth and responsive without breaking sweat. Paired with an enormous 96 GB of ultra-fast DDR5 RAM, this workstation has the headroom to handle virtually anything you throw at it, from virtual machines and massive datasets to demanding creative workflows, all without bottlenecks or slowdowns. Storage is equally impressive, with a blazing fast 2TB PCIe NVMe M.2 solid-state drive that not only offers ample space for your projects, files, and applications, but also delivers data transfer speeds that can be up to 30 times faster than a traditional hard drive, which means boot times are nearly instantaneous, applications launch in seconds, and large file transfers happen in a flash. The integrated Intel UHD graphics provide reliable performance for everyday tasks, streaming, light creative work, and even some casual gaming, while also leaving room for you to add a dedicated GPU later through the available expansion slots if your needs require more graphical horsepower. The rack mount design is sleek and space-efficient, perfect for integration into an existing server rack or AV setup, and the system's quiet operation makes it a great fit for environments where noise control is important, such as offices, studios, or shared workspaces. With two 3.5-inch drive bays and 4 expansion slots, the system offers excellent upgrade potential, ensuring that it can adapt to your needs as they grow over time. Built with a micro ATX motherboard and a standard ATX power supply, it is both serviceable and highly customizable, giving power users and IT professionals flexibility for future enhancements. The fact that Empowered PC assembles these machines in the USA and rigorously stress tests each one before shipping speaks volumes about the quality and reliability you can expect. They back this system with a 3-year limited hardware warranty and lifetime technical and diagnostic support, which is a huge reassurance for both individuals and businesses looking for a dependable long-term investment. Windows 11 Pro comes pre-installed, providing all the latest productivity, security, and usability features Microsoft has to offer, so you can hit the ground running right out of the box. Whether you plan to use it as a high-performance workstation, a quiet yet powerful rack mount server, or a multitasking beast for creative and technical workloads, the Empowered PC Quiet Rackmount computer is designed to deliver an exceptional experience day after day. Its combination of cutting-edge hardware, thoughtful expandability, quiet operation, and outstanding support makes it a machine that will not only meet your needs today, but continue to exceed them for years to come.